Hi guys, this is Nadia. Welcome back to my channel. I figured out my microphone audio issue, which was really dumb and stupid. You can let me know in the comments if you actually want to know what it was. So today I have some simple nail art and swatching. I'm going to be using Poetry Cowgirl's 5,000, 600 minutes. I think I said that right. From Polish Pickup August musical themes. I have a few of her polishes, but I've never actually swatched them or worn them. So this is going to be my sort of untried challenge polish for this video and for this mani. So it is a black base, a jelly base, and it is full of a bunch of flakies, like multichrome flakies, and a glitter. The glitters are kind of reddish orange. Don't remember their multichrome glitters as well, but as you can see when I was turning the bottle, it's just full of a bunch of iridescent multichrome color shifting goodness in it, in a really nice black base. I'm going to be doing 3 coats because it is a really sheer jelly base. I actually went ahead and did this on my right hand as well, and I did 1 coat over a solid black cream. And I think with doing like a black cream base and then maybe 1 to 2 coats of this, you'll get an even stronger shimmery color shifting effects of the flakes and the glitters. So that is what I recommend. Anyway, this is what it looks like after 3 coats and a glossy top coat. I really like glitter crelly polishes like this, so I'm really glad I picked this up. So up next, I'm going to be stamping with my Moonflower polish Holo, or gold, which is my new gold stamping polish, gold holographic stamping polish from the Gemstones collection. I'm going to be using the Simply Silver clear stamper from Lantern and Wren, which is one of my favorite clear stampers. It is a little very soft and slightly sticky, which I really love in a clear stamper. And I forgot to show you the plate, but this is Lina Nail Art Supplies Twirls and Swirls number 1. You can see the hollow flash of the gold Holo in this shot. So I'm going to be stamping 1 image in my middle and ring fingers, and then I'm going to be stamping another image, complementary image I felt, in my index and pinky fingers. Since my nails are rather short and narrow, I just flipped the stamper around, and I'm actually going to use the same image that I picked up at the same time to do both nails. And you can do this if you have really short or narrow nails like I do. The Lina nail art images are quite wide and large. Next, I'm going to be just using an orange stick. Sometimes I use a cuticle pusher, an orange stick, different things to sort of separate the polish that's stuck on the liquid latex. This is Vibrant Vinyl liquid latex. And I'm just going to peel it off. It doesn't peel off in like one nice, super smooth. Honestly, I can never get that perfect peel off you see in videos, especially on Instagram. I can't do it. I don't know. It's always messy and chunky for me, but the point is my skin is protected, so who cares? Anyways, I'm going to be using this detail brush from Lantern and Wren because I don't need a full cleanup brush. I just need to dip it a little bit in acetone and use the edge of the brush, the tip of the brush, to just clean the little bit of excess polish that was stuck there, and that's really it. Next, I'm going to be applying, this is the 5 free top coat from Lantern and Wren for a nice glossy finish. I don't feel it does holos, so I really like using it, and you can still see the holo, and this is the swatch, the final swatch of Holo over the Poetry Cowgirl, and here is a macro shot. You can really see the holo in this one. Thanks for watching.